day 3 of the farmhouse extension, and I'll show you the progress. It's almost done, guys. Cutting the metal cladding. Hubas na. Oh, kay di kuan man. Ay! So, good morning guys. Welcome to our day 3 of this farmhouse extension. It's so noisy at the background. They are already starting this work. And then we went to the first farmhouse earlier because it's Father of Rian's birthday as well today. They are cooking some chicken later. Then we're going to have lunch there later. Anyway, so this is the day 3 of the farmhouse extension, and I'll show you the progress. So this is the progress right now. I bought also metal cladding for the walls there, and then for the roof here, this is 12 feet by 4 super loom. That's 360 pesos per piece. And then the metal cladding 4 by 8 is 360 pesos. I bought 8 pieces of roof. Hopefully the 8 pieces of metal sheet roof is enough here. So we are here now at the other farmhouse. We are celebrating Father of Rian's birthday, and that his friends over there. And this is the food.
May kinapay.
Chicken. Sa mani wala ni tibuok di ay gihiwa. Ah, di ay.
Tulo ka klaseng manok.
Puro manok.
Tas manok.
Taon na lang na.
So that's the new progress of the roof.
Mayo ban, ya ikaw ni adong. Dinahan ni kap adong. Mabingat bumi gamay dong.
It's almost done, guys.
Buhatin na din. Dirahan dito. Dirahig.
Oh, it's so bright.
Dira bumi gamay.
Hi, Pia!
Ya, dito.
Samad ka na, uy.
Wala na dito kay dira ka sa balik magpasok. Ni handos. Dili.
Hubas na. Price is life. This is the new progress. They are cutting the metal cladding. And this is the partial wall. It's different from this color because this is something like brown red and this one is dark color. Struggle is real.
We're going up, Papa, because you know, says it go. Coming down, this is wrong.
Nais man po tanaw no. Kay mura ka tong gikuan ba?
Man.
Nais ka? No ko siya ito
Diyan, kapit mo yung unitan niya.
Dari oh. Matakunan man na sa uban.
Bigay ko sa piyaw, tulan ko. Ito.
Sister is making some butter wrap. Butter wrap? Ah! Very good eh.
Kay gikuan ko na.
Sige, go. Gibalag ni mo imong pater ate, wala?
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Sa araw mahurot na yung sunod. Ayun sakto na. Init sa mo.
Oh, kay di kuan man. Ay! Hangad ba? Eh, wala pa nakuha ng uban, oh. So, that's what you do. Ganar po na ay. Miss Pater, day go, Miss Pater. One of the hardest part in making some pater is
This one.
this one. Like collecting all of the banana leaves and do like this. Mana may. Wala di kinilukot good siya. Sobraan. Seryoso kayag. Way init eh. Way. Sao na itong luta, ana? Then put some dry banana leaves so that the fire goes more and more. Gidungan mo! And by the way, you need to do like this because the green one is actually easy to tear up or something like this one. There's a lot of, I'm not sure the English name of like chop something. Then once it turns like this, the texture of this banana leaves turns to smooth. And then not easy to like this gisi. Oh my god. What's English, Ana? Ear? Now it's hard to do like this. While the green one looks like this. Really easy. So that's why they do like this. And also you can fold it properly. And like this one, it's very stubborn to fold. While this one is more easy. Okay, I think you guys understand what I'm talking about. Then after that, to like this.
Like this.
What do you call that in English, ate?
Taking off.
You guys understand. You can see it.
Cutting.
Cutting.
So, nang chopping.
Kabalo ba ka na? Video ko ari na po ko ari.
Nice.
Nice. Go. Nagi sound? Ay! But there's something. Ang kawayan ni Siga. Ay, ni Buto. And after this, they're going to wipe it with clean cloth, by the way, okay? So, no worries. They are so busy. And I'm so busy vlogging as well. Ano, day na?
Sama na, uy. Yun sa nanin mo.
Ano? Kano po?
Uy. Kuhaan ko na.
The power of iPhone 17.
Uy.
Fold it. Sige na, go.
Yun mo yan. Kwato gikuan si ba? Suman.
Iya pag yung gitulid.
Right.
Go, girls. Yan naman.
Purok yung saging. Saging. Opo na. Minus mo ang saging sa una.
If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated. And thank you so much for the continued support. Bye, everyone.